The fifth phase of voting in India's seven-phase election has begun in 49 seats across 6 states and 2 union territories. The first 4 phases of the mammoth vote were held on April 19th, April 26th, May 7th, and May 13th. The next 2 phases fall on May 25th and June 1st, and the votes will be counted on June 4. The election primarily pits the National Democratic Alliance NDA, led by two-time Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, against the Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance India INDIA, spearheaded by the main opposition Indian National Congress Party. There are about 969 million registered voters to elect 543 members of Lok Sabha, the lower house of the parliament, in the world's largest democratic exercise over 6 weeks.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।